Whether you're a small business owner, dropshipper, or marketing agency, it is worth noting that TikTok is at the tip of the spear in the advertising world. Their platform has become so much more affordable and accessible to small businesses. Similar to Facebook's advertising auction marketplace, TikTok allows marketers to start advertising with small budgets to target users with specific demographics and interests. So what makes it different compared to Facebook? Well, first of all, Facebook, thanks to its size, is so oversaturated with commercials of all types. This gets in the way of truly experiencing what the platform has to offer. People start to ignore the ads, skip them, learn where they can expect them, and can easily get tired of them. Also, because there are so many brands advertising on Facebook, the rivalry can be fierce and ruthless in a fight for winning the best slot. TikTok, being a relatively new marketing platform, you don't have to worry about intense competition to get your spot on TikTok. This also means that there are fewer ads on TikTok and make it easier and cheaper to stand out and reach your audience. The main factor that dictates your CPM or cost per milli is what you choose as an objective for your campaign. But based on our experience, prospecting traffic CPM on TikTok is around $1. Conversions are normally $2 to $3, and remarketing goes up to $5 for 1,000 impressions, which in comparison to Facebook is crazy low. So have you ever felt that Facebook just seems so dull, uncreative, and they take so much from your experience? The limits, guidelines, creative restrictions, and strict rules are all a part of Facebook advertising. With TikTok, it's all about entertainment, authenticity, and the enjoyment. That's what makes it a refreshing breeze among social media apps, and the same rule applies to the ads too. The most effective TikTok ads start looking out like normal TikToks. The best ads do not feel like ads whatsoever. They must be adapted to the platform and its users, and they perfectly fit in the user experience that TikTok brings. Back in February 2021, Bruce Graybill, founder of Siders Woodcrafting, had a video go insanely viral at a time when he was thinking of closing his own business down. According to him, it was not financially making sense anymore. But then he had a video go viral on TikTok and he increased his traffic to his website by 4,000%. He sold everything he had on his website in 24 hours. As TikTok has continued to grow in recent years, marketers and businesses have been focusing on using the platform, often as a way to diversify their social media mix, using organic and paid strategies to get in front of the more than 1 billion monthly active users on the platform. So what does this all mean for you? TikTok is a brand new opportunity for your business. I've personally worked with roofers, auto insurance, investing apps, and of course, e-commerce businesses. Not only has TikTok been great at generating high quality traffic for a fraction of the price of Facebook, it can also be used to collect cheap leads for your business. Although TikTok ads platform is relatively simple if you're familiar with Facebook ads, it still has a skill floor where you can run ads profitably. Luckily for you, we do all the heavy lifting from the targeting to the ads management and analytics research to create consistently profitable results for your company while you can focus on growing the business. So click the link in the description to schedule a meeting with me to figure out if TikTok is a worthwhile investment for you. Thanks for watching.